Hi, meet Sunny from the College of the Rockies. Hi, Sunny.
Hi Ganga, how are you?
Good. Sunny, tell us about the College of the Rockies, the history, location, campus living, all of that.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me for this particular session. So, my name is Sunny Mehra and I'm from College of Rocky. So, if I talk about my college, it's a public college, a government-funded college, and we are in number one ranking in international student satisfaction ratio. And if I talk about the location, this particular location is very much popular because it's a tourist destination. We are in Cranbrook, we are in British Columbia. So if I talk about British Columbia, it's a very popular province. And the most important thing about this particular city, Cranbrook city, so this particular city is also very much popular for international students and obviously for the tourist because it's a tourist destination. And living expenses of homestay facilities are very affordable in this particular city because a student will be saving a lot of money in their homestay facility if they compare with other bigger cities like Vancouver and Calgary. They'll be saving a lot of money in this particular city, so it will be a win-win situation for the student. And if I talk about the standard of living, so obviously the city is very much beautiful. It's a modern city, although it's in regional area. It's a little bit far from the bigger cities, but definitely students will be enjoying and enjoying their stay and the location obviously.
Tell us about the part-time work available, the student support, and the affordability.
Yeah, of course. So if I talk about this particular city, so Cranbrook city is very much popular for its hospitality, tourism, mining, and construction business. So if I specifically talk about tourism industry, so it's a very big industry. As I said, it's a tourist destination. So students will be getting a good quality of job opportunity in their part-time work also, and this post-study work is also they'll be getting a relevant job opportunities. So wages are very good. Within $10 to $15, student will be getting a good quality of part-time work. So obviously, it's a per hour wages. And if you compare it with bigger cities, definitely students will be earning a lot of money and they'll be saving a lot of money in their day-to-day life.
What are the program options as well as the eligibility criteria for them?
We have a total number of 14 programs for our January intake. Yes, today we are for January intake, and we have associate degrees, we have business management diplomas, we have 4 years of complete BBA degree for the student who want to complete their degree program. Then we have 2 years of PG diploma in sustainable business practices. Then we have very two popular programs, tourism management diploma and criminal and social justice. So definitely student can apply for these programs for our January intake.
And eligibility criteria?
Yeah. So if I talk about the eligibility criteria, I'm not going into the depth of the eligibility criteria, but I'll be discussing and I'll be giving you a complete a rough information about the general academic requirements. So in 10th and 12th standard, we want 50% marks in four core subjects. Mathematics is very much compulsory for each and every program, except criminal and social justice and tourism management diploma. We don't require mathematics. And the English proficiency, what we required is six, no more less than six for UG program, and 6.5 no module less than six for PG program, because we have only one PG program in sustainable business practices. So for that particular program, the English proficiency will be 6.5, no more less than six.
Duolingo?
Yeah. So if I talk about Duolingo in this particular situation, college is definitely supporting our student in each and every aspect. We are also accepting PT with a minimum score of 50 for UG program and 58 for PG program in each module, obviously. And in Duolingo, we want 110. It is the minimum requirement for the student. They can apply with Duolingo if they don't have their IELTS, their PT. They can apply with Duolingo and with their 10th and 12th mark sheet, and we'll be providing them an offer letter within 7 working days.
What is the support given by the college during this COVID-19?
Okay, so if I talk about our college, College of Rockies is very much what you can say dedicated, and they are passionately working in the support system of the for the student, obviously, because in COVID-19 pandemic, majority of the colleges are doing these kind of things, and definitely College of Rockies is providing a good quality of support system to the student who want to pursue their high studies in Canada. So for those students who have 10th and 11th mark sheet with them, and if they got 50% marks in their academics, we'll be providing them a conditional offer letter on behalf of their 10th and 11th mark sheet, although they need to show their 12th mark sheet at the time of their LOA. And for those students who are willing to pursue their higher education with College of Rockies, we can accept their first semester tuition fee also, and we'll be providing them an LOA on behalf of their first semester tuition fee. So and the most important thing about the college, we are providing a dedicated mentorship support to each and every student, so that they can get a good quality of education if they're getting any kind of difficulty in their academics. We are also providing a free airport pickup to each and every student. So if they have to inform 7 to 10 days prior to their arrival, and we'll be arranging all the facilities for the student.
And now, do tell students something about the Can-Am relationship with the College of the Rockies.
Yeah, definitely. So if I talk about our relationship with the Can-Am, it's very strong, and we are working with Can-Am from very long time, and definitely we have a very good relation. We are getting good applications from Can-Am from last many years. So obviously January 21 intake is a very important, very big intake for each and every institute. So I request to the student to kindly share your application to the Can-Am team, and they'll be giving you a proper guidance. And the most important thing, if I talk about the application fee, it's $100 for College of the Rockies. But before deducting any application, we will be doing a free assessment for each and every application. So you have to share your application with the Can-Am team, and they'll be giving you an assessment within a day.
Thank you, Sunny. That was really nice talking to you.
Thank you, Ganga. Thank you so much.